So this question is from GATE 2017. So it says that a continuous time signal x of t equal to 4 cos of 200 pi t is plus 8 cos of 400 pi t. So xt has two components and t is in seconds, is the input to a LTI filter with impulse response ht equal to 2 sin 300 pi t upon pi t for t not equal to 0 and 600 for t equal to 0. So this is the impulse response of a LTI filter. And now it says that yt be the output of the filter. So we have to find the maximum value of yt. So yt is the output, xt is the input, and h of t is the impulse response. So if the impulse response is of the form a sine of omega ct upon whole of pi t, then this is the impulse response of a digital low pass filter. So it will have a cutoff frequency at omega c. Omega c minus omega c, and this value, this amplitude is a. So this is a low pass filter. This impulse response is the impulse response of a low pass filter, a sine omega ct upon pi t. So here omega c is 300 pi and a is 2. So this is the impulse response of this filter. So it is a low pass filter which is given to us. So it is 300 pi minus 300 pi, this is 300 pi, because this value is 300 pi t, and this amplitude is 2, so this amplitude is 2. So this is the impulse response. So the cutoff frequency is 300 pi. So if the cutoff frequency is 300 pi, then this 400 pi will not transmit. Only this 200 pi will transmit. So we can modify x of t as 4 cos of 200 pi t, because 400 pi t will not transmit. So the maximum value of x is 4, because the maximum value of cos is 1 only, and the maximum value of ht is 2. So the maximum value of y of t, we have to find the maximum value of y of t. So the maximum value of the input is 4, because it is 4 cos of 200 pi t, and the amplitude of the impulse response is 2, because this is given as 2. So the maximum value of yt will be the maximum value of the input, which is 4, multiplied by the maximum value of the impulse response, which is 2. So it is equal to 8. So the maximum value of yt is 8. This is the yt maximum. Because once again we can revise, this is the impulse response of a low pass filter with cutoff frequency is 300 pi. So only frequencies up to 300 pi will transmit. Only the frequencies up to 300 pi will transmit. So this 400 pi will not transmit. So the xt is reduced to 400 cos 200 pi t, and the maximum value of x will be 4, because the maximum value of cos theta is 1, and the value of the impulse response is 2, because this value is 2. So the maximum value of output is 4 into 2, which is 8. So if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me on 99289352246. This is my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, you can directly WhatsApp me on 99289352246, or you can leave the comment in the comment box. Thank you.